Okay friends, just pull down notification panel, then you can see option of system update that March pixel drop update is available, and this one is coming from each month. So you can simply swipe to cancel this update, and I strongly recommend that Pixel's phones are best under software update. But actually in modern era, whenever we are updating our phones, that will be cause new problems like battery draining, performance issues, camera issues, display issues, and many more issues. So it is better to avoid any kind of installations, and only install these things whenever the phone is telling that without any security update we cannot provide any applications like WhatsApp. Okay, so that time you must install. So because we have to use those kind of applications, and that application could not work with latest security updates, so you can install it, otherwise don't install. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.